we're getting ready to pull the mast. That's what we're doing. I'm trying to figure out who would put a board on with 3 different types of screws.
Oh! Okay, we're live when you start, okay? So it is kind of satisfying whenever
it just goes in.
Yeah, it just comes out.
And goes out. Stop!
I want to support this, at least in the short term anyway. It's back under here, it's under the cabin. Either I got to cut this out somehow, half and half, or cut the entire cabin off. We're getting ready to pull the mast. That's what we're doing. Yeah. Setting this back up with some sort of rain protection.
Yeah, it just comes out.
What? Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really right here.
I think she knows who was ultimately the one who was
I found it. So anyway, we gotta pull all this. Replace that spar. Once we do that, then I'll read this.
Yeah, we
there's
brought
turkey
lunch
in there.
stuff.
Like peanut butter crackers?
And then
Like what?
Like
Peanut butter
sandwiches?
crackers?
Like turkey sandwiches and drinks.
I'm really thinking
And a lake like
that
that.
the best place of action here is to actually remove the entire roof. Because the way it was decked originally, it was decked and the roof was set down on top of it.
It's just loud.
How do you flip the gears?
Oh! Oh, we got in here!
She got in here.
Stop!
She said I can't stop. Oh! Oh!
That was the big one!
It came off right at the water.
Oh, you lost it again?
It was on my bobber.
And then it was on my
It's like as soon as it gets above the water surface, it gets off.
He was really gentle too.
A croaker bit it, then he had a big fish biting the croaker.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay, we're live when you start, okay? So, we just now lost a huge, like, 3-foot fish right here beside the thing. So, we didn't know that we had a different fish on called a croaker. we looked it up on Google for the best bait for redfish. It said cut up blue crabs, cut up mullet itself, and they eat their cousins, the croakers. Cut up croakers is also very good. And we had a bait this big, and we had a croaker on our line, and we didn't know it. So the big fish bit our croaker, okay? And then so we had it right here, and then it started pulling out drag going out. So we couldn't catch it, and now it's gone.